Retirement made easy. Confused by estate planning? Frequently asked questions? My loved one is going into a nursing home. What should I do? First, let's make sure we are talking about the same thing. Long-term care and rehabilitation are two different things, even though they often take place in the same facility. Rehabilitation generally means a stay of no longer than 100 days and involves more intensive physical, speech, and occupational therapy. The goal is to help the patient recover and get back on their feet. Rehabilitation is mostly paid for by your loved one's Medicare plan. A nursing home or long-term care facility, on the other hand, focuses on caring for a patient who will likely remain there for the rest of their life. These stays are not paid for by Medicare. Here, we're talking about the second situation, long-term care. Long-term care is generally paid for privately by the patient until they either run out of money or are discharged. If the patient runs out of funds, Medicaid, which is federally funded but administered by the state, will step in to cover the cost. However, Medicaid is often considered a loan against the patient's estate. In many cases, if there are assets remaining after the patient passes away, those assets may need to be liquidated to reimburse the Medicaid system. So, what should you do? First, consult with an attorney who specializes in elder law. There are important nuances in state law, especially in Rhode Island, that you should be aware of. Proper planning can sometimes protect part of your loved one's estate while still qualifying for Medicaid assistance. In some cases, these differences can save tens of thousands of dollars. It's important to note that there are some things that you can do well in advance of going into a nursing home that can save your loved one's estate. And there are some things that can be done the day they go into a nursing home. The most important thing to understand is that you need a lawyer advocate in your corner, not the nursing home or the state. At Retirement Made Easy, we have elder law attorneys practicing in our offices. Call for an appointment.
Welcome to Retirement Made Easy, your partner in planning a confident future. We help you navigate Medicare, retirement finances, and estate planning with ease. With offices in Middletown and Bristol, Rhode Island, we're here to help. Call 401-741-7813 to book your appointment today.